Losing weight can be a challenge on its own, let alone from a specific area of your body. Particularly, extra fat in the face is an incredibly frustrating problem to solve. Fortunately, plenty of strategies can increase fat burning and help slim down your face. Here are 7 effective methods to help you lose fat in your face. Number 1. Do facial exercises. Facial exercise can be used to improve facial appearance, combat aging, and improve muscle strength. Reports claim Anecdotal reports claim that adding facial exercises to your regular routine can also tone facial muscles, making your face appearance slimmer. Some of the most popular exercises involve puffing out your cheeks and pushing the air from side to side, puckering your lips on alternating sides and holding a smile while clenching your teeth for several seconds at a time. Although evidence is limited, one review reported that facial exercises may build muscle tone in your face. Another study showed that performing facial muscle exercises twice a day for 8 weeks increased muscle thickness and improved facial regeneration. Keep in mind that research is lacking on the effectiveness of facial exercises for fat loss specifically. More studies are needed to evaluate how these exercises may impact facial fat in humans. Number 2. Add cardio to your routine. Oftentimes, extra fat in your face is the result of excess body fat. Losing weight can increase fat loss and help slim down both your body and face. Cardio aerobic exercise is any type of physical activity that increases your heart rate. It's widely considered one of the most effective methods for weight loss. Multiple studies have found that cardio can help promote fat burning and increased fat loss. What's more, a review of 16 studies showed that people experience greater fat loss with increased cardio exercise. Try to get 150 to 300 minutes of moderate to vigorous exercise each week, which translates to approximately 20 to 40 minutes of cardio per day. Some common examples of cardio exercises include running, walking, biking, and swimming. Number 3. Drink more water. Drinking water is crucial for your overall health and can be especially important if you are looking to lose facial fat. Studies suggest that water can keep you feeling full and enhance weight loss. In fact, one small study in older adults found that drinking water with breakfast decreased calories intake by approximately 13%. Another study showed that drinking water temporarily increased metabolism by 24%. Increasing the number of calories you burn over the course of the day can help boost weight loss. What's more, staying hydrated is thought to decrease fluid retention, which prevents bloating and puffiness in your face. Number 4. Limit alcohol consumption. While enjoying the occasional glass of wine with dinner is fine, going overboard with your alcohol intake can be one of the biggest contributors to increased facial fat and bloating. Alcohol is high in calories but low in nutrition and may be associated with an increased risk of weight gain. Keeping your alcohol consumption in check is the best way to control alcohol-induced bloating. Keeping your alcohol consumption in check is the best way to control alcohol-induced bloating and weight gain. According to US dietary guideline, moderate drinking is defined as up to 2 drinks per day for men and up to 1 drink per day for women. Cut back on refined carbs. Number 5. Cut back on refined carbs. Refined carbs like cookies, crackers, and pasta are common culprits of weight gain and increased fat storage. These carbs have been heavily processed, stripping them of their beneficial nutrition and fiber and leaving little behind besides sugar and calories. Because they contain very little fiber, they are digested rapidly, leading to spikes and crashes in blood sugar levels and a high risk of overeating. Although no studies have looked directly at refined carbs' effect on facial fat, swapping them out for whole grains can help increase overall weight loss and may Although no studies have looked directly at refined carbs' effect on facial fat, swapping them out for whole grain can help increase overall weight loss and may also aid facial fat loss. Number 6. Switch up your sleep schedule. Catching up on sleep is an important general weight loss strategy. It may also help you to lose facial fat. Sleep deprivation can cause an increase in level of cholesterol, a stress hormone that comes with a long list of potential side effects including weight gain. Studies have shown that high cholesterol level can increase your appetite and alter metabolism, resulting in increased fat storage. Furthermore, squeezing in more sleep may help you shed extra pounds. One study found that better sleep quality was associated with an extra likelihood of weight loss. One study found that better sleep quality was associated with an increased likelihood of weight loss success. Conversely, studies show that sleep deprivation can increase food intake, cause weight gain, and lower metabolism. Ideally, aim for at least 8 hours of sleep per night to aid weight control and facial fat loss. Number 7. Watch your sodium intake. One hallmark of excess sodium intake is bloating, and it may also contribute to facial puffiness and swelling. This is because of sodium causes your body to hold extra water, resulting in fluid retention. Several studies have shown that higher intake of sodium can increase fluid retention, especially in people who are more sensitive to the effect of salt. Processed foods account for an estimated 77% of sodium intake in the average diet, so cutting out convenience of foods, savory snacks, and processed meat can be an easy and effective way to cut your sodium intake. Consider reducing your sodium intake to make your face appear slimmer. Conclusion: there are plenty of methods available to help you lose extra fat in your face. Switching up your diet, adding exercise to your routine, adjusting some of your daily habits are all effective ways to boost fat loss and slim down your face. For best result, be sure to pair these tips with a balanced diet and regular exercises to optimize your fat burning and overall health. If you like my video, please subscribe to my channel. Thanks for watching.